Hi, we're live on Bitcoin, Blockchain, and crypto talk. You have any questions? Just go ahead and ask me. I'm here to talk about what's happening latest in India. Um, Hi there. And what's happening with India is right now that cryptocurrency is getting accepted like on a back burner. So nobody really wants to say that it's like it's going to be regulated or it's going to be useful for people, but just quietly things are coming in play. Cryptocurrencies are still getting popular. I guess a little of the price hike happened today because, again, uh, the regulation part is not being very serious. Because if you see, there are many banks, and not necessarily every bank is against crypto, like the way few you know banks wanted to bring that down by saying it's not viable in India, things like that. But I guess our finance minister of India, Mr. Arun Jaitley, he has already mentioned that cryptocurrencies are the future. It's very clearly saying that they may not be the choice of payment currency, like it's not a legal tender, which is same as gold. Gold is also not a legal tender in India, even though it is widely accepted. Uh, Acceptance for a legal tender should only be uh, the government printed notes. So that's how we're trying to bring it in. So we've got a question. What's your take on September date by Supreme Court and regulations? Well, I think they're just trying to push the dates across, trying to keep that negative, aura that or vibes going on about the cryptocurrencies alive by just pushing the dates. In turn, I think most of the smart people know already that when they're pushing it around, there's no serious thought about that. What I may explain the detail in depth about what really has conspired in RBI with their lawyers and with the thing is that RBI's lawyer himself has said that RBI is going to be regulating cryptocurrencies. So that means it's on the verge of regulation. So because RBI took their own sweet time of more than 5 years, because 5 years ago I spoke to them. I was in person speaking to all these RBI regulators, explaining why cryptocurrency is here and what's the importance. And now they're taking their own sweet time by pushing the dates on the code, not coming out with really what their regulation part is about. But they're buying time to regulate it themselves, and they know they cannot really ban it, and they will look stupid if they did ban it. So the regulation part will be uh, managed by the RBI very soon. So somebody really wanted to know in Hindi. तो ऐसा हो रहा है कि आरबीआई ने मना कर दिया पहले, अब तो उनके हाथ में बस का है नहीं मना करना किसी को कि ना यूज़ करो। तो वो तो सिर्फ अभी टाइम खरीद रहे हैं, अपना डेट्स आगे आगे करके कि कुछ होगा इसके बारे में, या फिर ऐसे कुछ। वैसे तो क्या होने वाला है कि रेगुलेट तो होगा ही। अब जब 5 साल पहले हमने बता ही दिया था आरबीआई को, मैं खुद था मीटिंग में आरबीआई के साथ, और मैंने बताया था उनको कि क्रिप्टो करेंसी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो रहेगा ही, और उसका कोई रोक नहीं डाल सकते। इससे ये अच्छा है कि आप समझे उसका टेक्नोलॉजी और उसके साथ कैसे हाथ बढ़ा के चले। जैसे अभी आ गया ईमेल्स, ईमेल से अगर पोस्ट ऑफिस परेशान हो जाता है और अगेंस्ट हो जाता है तो कोई फ़ायदा है नहीं, पोस्ट ऑफिस भी अभी ईमेल यूज़ करता है। तो वैसे ही बैंक्स भी यूज़ करेंगे और क्रिप्टो करेंसी फ्यूचर में, तो साथ साथ चलने से फ़ायदा है, डिवाइड होने से कुछ मिलेगा नहीं। तो वो अब क्या कर रहे हैं आरबीआई, टाइम खरीद रहे हैं डेट्स आगे करके, ताकि वो रेगुलेट करे। क्योंकि अब तक तो सो रहे थे 5 साल से पहले, जो हमने बताया था उनको क्या क्रिप्टो करेंसी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो पूरे वर्ल्ड में चलेगा। तब तक परसों तक तो सो रहे थे आरबीआई, अब जाके वो कुछ करेंगे। वैसे तो क्लियर इंडिकेशन है क्रिप्टो करेंसी रहेगा इंडिया में और वर्ल्ड में, और ये तो आगे जाएगा ही वैसे। ऐसे है कुछ नहीं कि कोई रोक दे इसको। Well, price prediction for cryptocurrency can be anything. I don't think the price will be very high or low from what it is happening now. It's already dropped 60% from what it gained in the last year. उसके हिसाब से वो एक 5 और 6 लाख के बीच में या 4 से 6 लाख के बीच में ही हवर करेगा एंड ऑफ द ईयर तक, क्योंकि इसका करेक्शन पीरियड चल रहा है और ये जाके कुछ अ, महीने करेक्शन होगा। सो तो ईटीएफ जो आ रहा है वो सब इंटरनेशनल है, इंटरनेशनल मार्केट्स आर कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट। दे आर जस्ट फैसिलिटेटिंग एजेंसीज टू हेल्प पीपल, you know, build a lot of services around cryptocurrency, and those things will definitely come. If you're thinking about an investment tool on cryptocurrency, the investment tool is the investment opportunity is great always with cryptocurrency. All you have to think about कि एक जब आप इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो इसको कम से कम 3 से 5 साल तक इन्वेस्टमेंट करके रखना है, तभी जाके आपको अच्छे से रिटर्न मिलते हैं। अगर आपको शॉर्ट टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट और शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडिंग करना है तो उसके लिए आपको काफ़ी कुछ समझना पड़ता है बिटकॉइन के बारे में, और उसको कम से कम 3-4 साल देखना होता है कि उसका प्राइस ट्रेंड्स कैसे चलते हैं। एक बार आप देख लें कि प्राइस ट्रेंड्स कैसे चलते हैं, उसके हिसाब से आप ट्रेड कर सकते हैं, और एसेट जैसे शेयर्स लेके लोग करते हैं वैसे आप कर सकते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा आप जानकारी लीजिए इसका, तब जाके करिए। It's very clear. Any experience gives you a hand in terms of your, goals of making money as a trading tool or as an investment opportunity. But for all that, you have to understand the real product. The product is cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. And once you know what the product is, only when you go ahead. So Taprez wants to know about Steemit. So there are a lot of projects that's going on. Today we are just talking about some regulations point of view and then other things. I'll definitely cover Steemit in future. It's nothing but our Steemit is a decentralized uh, social network kind of a thing, and once you're on it you are able to not let your centralized person change anything on it, so that way it becomes very useful for the future. You can, I'm sorry, so you wanted to know about the investment opportunity. Earn crypto without investments. So you just go on faucets, you spend some time on others exchanges. They'll give you some free cryptos. If you want on bitcoin.com, there is free cryptocurrency, free Bitcoin cash is available. Uh, just check that out. So you want to know something about cryptocurrency? I cannot give you. There are many, many things in the world today. If you want to know about really in depth, English में है एक Reddit /r/BTC. But don't go into Reddit /r/Bitcoin because that's already controlled. Uh, Bitcoin talk.org is already controlled. So that means there are people who will tell what they want you to hear, what they want you to hear, not necessarily what is real. The real thing is on Reddit r/BTC. And also, if you want some honest news, you can look up on indiecrypto.com. So also there is one more thing. Okay, so we know what's going on on the message chat. There are some information-based meetups that's going on. There is a new meetup that's coming up the next weekend. Uh, we are online on that meetup. I'm going to be speaking on that meetup. There are a lot of questions will be covered. You can come in and ask your questions then. Also, we are looking at a conference. It's called blockchainbengaluru.com. Now, you know, Bangalore is full of these IT offices and IT companies. Mm, so thank you very much. You can find those details about that here. Uh, so what we are talking about is that blockchainbengaluru.com. So blockchain Bengaluru is the blockchain conference that's been held on the 1st of September. It's got great speaker list. Usually, there are a lot of company speakers come in because what is happening with blockchain and on use case basis, these guys who speakers are engaged in these kind of activities in their own company. So they'll give you some insights on what's happening with the blockchain development. Very useful for a lot of youngsters, a lot of people who are interested in knowing about blockchain, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, a lot of things, regulation, how the technology is going to help and improve uh, social life to start with, and also your work life in terms of how they're integrating blockchain with a lot of things. One of the main places they're introducing blockchain is in the auditing and accounting firm, because that's where it gives the maximum benefit to the public, because it's decentralized auditing and accounting. Because as we know, the centralized auditing and accounting firms like KPMG, Deloitte, and PricewaterhouseCoopers, they're all bloody very corrupt corporations. They lie at the biggest level. They talk about these big companies making profit where the big companies are actually in a loss. So we don't want to hear any more auditing news from these big companies. So it's best we use something like blockchain. Okay, so it's a good question. The blockchain Bengaluru is held in Bangalore. It's on MG Road for now. That's the venue, and the prices are about 4.5. I think if you're an early bird, and it's a little bit more if you are going to be booking in a little late. But that's a great place for you to understand a lot of things about blockchain, because people who are in the business are already there as speakers. So, but that's one of the things, because everybody seems to be talking to me about something bigger than Meetup that we could do for a full day, because meetups are only maximum for 2 hours. So, kind of blockchain Bengaluru kind of conferences are the ones which are best now, because they're held for the whole day, and it eventually gets into workshops and all those other things. So that's going to be our today's chat. If there are any more last minute questions, guys, shoot, and then let me just answer you. Sorry, your question was pretty long. I couldn't get that question. It disappears on my screen. अगर आप दोबारा वो उस क्वेश्चन को पोस्ट कीजिए तो मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ. Okay, now Steemit kind of places where you put in your likes and things like that will help you gain traction and make money, just like how your existing systems have shown you in terms of YouTube and places like that. So what we can look into is particularly how you can get that kind of people to follow is when you spend more time on Steemit itself. It'll help you understand about that platform. So probably eventually you can gather more people on it. So the meetup is online. It's happening in Bangalore. I'm going to be holding it from Bangalore, but it's online so this weekend. So you can definitely connect it from any part of the world, and then shoot your questions. So well, you get some answers here from our viewers itself. That Steemit wants you to create more good content to get more followers. So I guess you have the answer right there. Sure, that was very helpful. Thanks a lot. So that was our yeah, we are having physical meetups. That's going to be on the first weekend of the next month. It's on the third of August. That's going to be our next physical meetup, and that's going to be held in MG Road on in Bangalore. So a lot of Bangaloreans visit that, and they love talking about cryptocurrency. They love hanging out with the crypto, lovers. So physical meetups has been amazing. I'm looking forward to having some more, enthusiastic people joining us soon. Great, then. I think we covered most of the questions today. Is there is anything, you can leave a comment and we will answer that below the video. I don't want to keep this video too long, because for certain people, if the video is too long, they may not be interested in checking it out. But yeah, thank you very much. Thanks for joining us, and it's great questions. I will be around, and I plan to do more and more on all kind of social medias, and meet and engage with people, not just meetups, conference, and physical meetups, also on social media. So we will connect again soon, and chat about the developments with cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, blockchain, everything around that new technology space. We can do that definitely. Under this indie crypto, we have a great team going, and we will do some more of the videos that we are coming up, and we will definitely post all those kind of videos. Yeah, thanks a lot, blog entrepreneur. So we'll connect then soon. Have a nice night, guys. Bye. You're welcome. Bye.